Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Aloe vera is known for its amazing benefits and healing properties since olden times. It helps provide amazing advantages for the skin, health, weight loss, and more. Today, I'm going to share with you some of its excellent benefits for skin, hair, and even weight loss too. Aloe vera can treat, exfoliate, restore, and provide constant nutrition to the skin. I'll show you how to make special packs using aloe vera along with some other special ingredients from your kitchen. Aloe moisturizes the skin without giving it that greasy feeling and prevents infections in cracked or raw dry skin. Take a bowl and add some aloe vera gel, a pinch of turmeric, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of milk, and a few drops of rose water. Mix it well until you get a smooth paste. Apply it onto your skin using your fingers. Aloe vera has long been used as a remedy to heal dry, flaky skin, and it's effective at improving the skin's hydration. Honey has been used because it has humectants, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, which make it a great moisturizer. Leave this on for about 20 minutes or so, and then wash it off with water. Aloe vera penetrates deeply into the skin to exfoliate, smooth, feed, nourish, protect, and hydrate your skin. Grab a half cup of fresh aloe vera gel and add it to a clean bowl, a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Stir these ingredients together and use it to scrub your face using circular movements. The sugar will help to exfoliate and scrub off dead skin, while the aloe vera will deeply clean the skin and the lemon will help fade out the appearance of scars. After giving your face a good scrub, wash it off with water. Aloe vera's healing properties, coupled with the antioxidants from honey, will leave you with smooth and clear skin. Take some aloe vera and put it into a bowl. Blend walnuts to get a flour-like consistency and add that to the bowl along with some honey. Mix all of these ingredients well to get a smooth paste. Apply it to your skin with your fingers, focusing on areas that you tend to break out. Walnuts are one of the best home remedies to exfoliate away dead skin that can cause acne. They contain a high amount of vitamins and nutrients to pamper your skin. Leave this mixture on until it dries, and then wash it off with water. Aloe vera gel has cooling properties, which help soothe irritated skin affected by sunburn, rashes, infections, redness, or itchiness. Grab some aloe vera gel, cucumber juice, yogurt, and rosehip oil and blend them into a paste. Apply this mixture all over your face with your fingers and leave it on for 20 minutes. Cucumber juice has antioxidant properties. Rose water helps to hydrate, revitalize, and moisturize the skin, giving you a refreshed look. Yogurt fights acne, fades blemishes, and pigmentation. Aloe vera can improve the effectiveness of your diet and maximize your weight loss potential. With ample amounts of vitamins and minerals that contribute to weight loss, as well as amino acids, enzymes, and sterols, aloe vera ensures your diet is not only supportive of weight loss, but also improves the body's absorption and utilization, improving overall health as well as weight loss success. The natural taste of aloe vera is pretty bitter, so that you wouldn't think of consuming it as is. Take the gel, dice it into small pieces, and blend. Now, mix this with a bit of some other fruit or vegetable juice that's preferably sweet. You can also use the leaves of aloe vera, blend them, strain, and drink. If you find that this is too bitter, then mix it up with honey, and then you can drink it. You can also add some lemon to this mix. It should be consumed regularly and over a long period of time for it to really work. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching, and reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. Mix equal quantities of aloe vera juice and extra virgin coconut oil. Section your hair to ensure perfect application. Apply it to your scalp and hair and massage well for 5 minutes. The natural antioxidants and nutrients found in coconut oil boosts hair growth and regrowth. Keratin, the primary protein of hair, consists of amino acids, oxygen, carbon, and small amounts of hydrogen, nitrogen, and even sulfur. Aloe vera has a chemical makeup similar to that of keratin, and it rejuvenates the hair with its own nutrients, giving it more elasticity and preventing breakage. Leave this in for 3 hours or leave it on overnight for strong, smooth, and bouncy hair. Then wash it off with a mild shampoo. I hope you enjoyed my video. Be sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!